I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, and I cannot wait to stuff my face with gravy. It's all gonna be gravy for me. I can't wait. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today we're going to be getting ready together. So it is Thanksgiving, one of my favorite holidays of life, and I just thought it would be the perfect time to get ready with you because I'm going to be, doing my makeup, putting on my outfit and my hair, and I just wanted to show you the process of how I do it, of how I get ready. I haven't done a get ready with me in a long time, and I think it's going to be a fun one because it's going to be kind of a different look for me, and I'm really excited. So if you feel like getting ready with me, maybe you're also getting ready for a holiday party or something, then let's get to it. Let's get ready. Why am I like this? I don't know. So I'm starting off with the eyes today, and my dress is kind of like a lilac-y, purpley, light purple color. So I'm gonna do that on my eyes. It's all gonna be like purples, and I am very excited about that. I'm first gonna be priming with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. I cannot finish this up. Like, I've been using it for so long and I can't finish it up. It's so frustrating. I'm also gonna set the primer with a powder that's close to my skin tone. For my look, I'm gonna be pulling from literally like 3 different palettes and a single, so you can grab whatever you have available to you. It's not, like a specific product. I just wanted to look for the color, but I'm gonna be using this color right here. And this is the Cowboy Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. This is gonna be my base because it's exactly the color of my dress, and I think it's just gonna make the other shadows just pop on top. So I'm just gonna be applying this all over the lid, kind of blending it into the crease, but not really because I'm gonna use another color to blend since these don't blend as easily as powders. And now to set that and to just blend it up into the crease, I'm gonna go in with this palette by Kat Von D, Christmas like 1,000 years ago, so find whatever works for you, but we have this shade right here, it's Muse, and it's exactly the color of the eyeshadow that I just placed on my lid. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and I'm just gonna kind of blend my crease and set the color that I put on the lid. Okay, I just felt like you were a little too bright, so I just darkened you up a bit, but I don't know if you're too dark now. Okie dokie. Now, I just want to deepen up the crease a tiny bit, not too much, just want to add a slight dimension to the crease in the lid. So I'm just going to go in with this eyeshadow by Makeup Geek. It's an Unexpected, and it's just a little mauve-y, like quite mauve. It's kind of like a muted lilac, and I'm just going to add that to the outer corner. Once that's done, you're barely gonna be able to notice that I deepened up the crease, but you know what? I noticed, and I think it just added a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to move on to the lid because yes, we're not done. And I'm gonna go into yet another palette, and I'm gonna use another shade. And I'm using the Magic Mini by Juvia's, and they have this super cute shadow called Faso? And it doesn't look like it's lilac, it doesn't look like it's gonna work, but I'm just gonna grab a fluffy brush and just run this very lightly on my lid. So on top of the mat. I know doing all these steps seems unnecessary because you can barely tell a difference, but trust me, I can tell a difference in person, and I just really love the subtleties. So after I do that, I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I'm just gonna be adding some of this color right here from ColourPop again. I'm just gonna be running it along the lower lash line, and then I'm just gonna go in with a deeper color on like the outer part of my lower lash line. Okay, now that the eyeshadow's done, I will move on to liner. I'm gonna be using 2 different liners on my waterline and my tight line, because why not? I'm using the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in Damsel, and I'm just running this on my tight line to add a little bit more fullness to my lashes. And then I'm gonna do my waterline with the ColourPop. I don't know the name of this because it rubbed off, but it's just the gel liner in Honey Dude. I love it. It's my favorite, and it's just gonna brighten this up a little bit more. Now that my eyes are sufficiently watered, I'm gonna move on, and I'm just gonna be doing a wing today. It's gonna be a faux wing, and it's gonna be really tiny. I just wanna accentuate the eyes a little bit more, and I just wanna pull them out. So I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna grab an angled brush and do a tiny, like the tiniest possible wing that you can still see. Don't want it to be big, so I love it when I said that my wing was going to be really tiny and it ended up being not so tiny. Love my life. Okay, faux wings are on. They're as good as they're gonna get. Hopefully, I can conceal a little bit of the mess. But now I'm gonna go in with mascara. I'm using the Tom Ford Badass Mascara because this is a special occasion mascara. This is a definitely holiday party mascara. This mascara really, it just does it for me, honestly. I can't even. Got a few smudges here and there, but it's fine. We're gonna fix them. Okay, so for the face, I'm starting off priming with the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, and I'm just gonna apply this everywhere. Once that primer is done, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I have mine in, what does this shade of you? 240. Mine is in 240. I'm just gonna be applying a light layer of this because I definitely want my skin to be flawless, but I don't want it to look cakey. I just want it to look really natural because I'm into more of a natural coverage. So I'm just gonna add this where I need to and then spread it around. I'm using the RMS Beauty Uncover Up Concealer. I'm just gonna be applying this with my fingers. I'm gonna powder the face. It's very important. I'm using the Milk Makeup Blur Plus Ed Matte Loose Setting Powder. Love this. And I'm just gonna powder all over my face. While I let that powder sink into my skin, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Definer in dark brown and then the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. For bronzer, I'm using the Make It Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 30M, and I'm just gonna be running this all along the hollows of my face, just warming everything up, you know? For blush, I'm using the Makeup Obsession Isn't It Peachy palette because I love peach with purple. I think it just looks so cute. So I'm gonna use a combination of Daydream and this one is Bloom. For highlighter, I'm gonna go into the Mary Luminizer by the Balm Old School Highlighter that works, and I'm just gonna apply this to the high points of my cheeks. And also a little bit to the inner corners. Once we've highlighted, the face is done and we can move on to the lips. Why are you not focusing on me? For the lips, I also want to keep it very subtle. So I'm first going in with the Make It Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao, and I'm just gonna outline my lips, contour them a bit, and then I'm gonna apply some lipstick. On top of that, I'm using the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick because this is kind of peachy, kind of not. It's kind of like a mix. Honestly, it's not peachy at all, but it just works with the look. And I'm just gonna blot this. I'm not gonna apply this like all on. I'm just gonna blot it for a softer look since I want all the focus to be on the eyes. And on top of that, I just really want a little something extra. So I'm gonna go in with the Flesh Hot Sauce Lip Gloss in 315 and just gonna apply a little bit of this on top. Again, not gonna go full on, just kind of patting it, and then I'm gonna blot it with my lips. Wow! And after we're done with that, I'm just gonna set my face. Let me get my setting spray. I'm gonna set it with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's on its last legs. I'm very excited about that, so I'm just gonna set my face. And once I've set it, we're done. So I'm bringing you guys a little bit closer so that we can see the full face. I freaking love the eyes. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Love this color. I know it's gonna go so well with my dress, so I'm very excited. It was such an easy look, and I almost never play with purples, but I am really digging it, and I know that purples make brown eyes just look so nice, and I am super excited. Really love the combination of everything, okay? I'm obsessed. Love the super clean skin. I feel like the peachy blush goes so well with the eyes and the lips. I am very pleased. I'm very pleased, and I hope you are too. Let's get on to the outfit and the hair. For my outfit, I'm wearing a dress from Kate Spade. I got it at the outlet. It is a beautiful lavender color that goes perfectly with the eyes. And yeah, it's just it's a little over the top, which I love, but I find it still to be classic, and it's still kind of my style, but a little bit different, which I really enjoy, and I obviously love the color. For my shoes, I'm wearing some snake print booties from Marc Fisher. Love them, and I just thought they gave this look a fun, you know, twist. So paired them with that, and I'm wearing some super cute earrings. They're dangly earrings from Free People, and a simple chain necklace, because I'm very simple when it comes to jewelry. For the hair, I just blow dried my hair, and it looks like this naturally. So I just blow dried my hair, pinned it back on one ear, and that is it. That is it. This is the makeup, hair, outfit, everything. We're done. We're officially ready. We got ready. So that was the outfit, the hair, and the makeup complete, you guys. Let me know what you thought of it. Did you enjoy it? Let me know if you enjoy like different colors for holiday parties and stuff, because I find that I get super bored of the same like gold smoky eyes, burgundy. I love those colors, but I just wanted to try something different. So if you enjoyed it, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And you should consider subscribing if you're into what I did today. I basically do this every single week. Easy, real makeup and beauty content for you. So if you're into that, definitely subscribe. I would love you forever. And yeah, I hope you got inspired. I hope you loved this, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye everybody. Mwah!